Welcome to WebStarPlus. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable Google Chrome vertical tabs for a cleaner and more organized browsing experience. Vertical tabs let you move your tabs from the top of the browser to the sidebar, making it easier to manage multiple pages, improve productivity, and keep your workspace clutter-free. So to do that, open Chrome and open few tabs. Right-click on the empty space next to the tabs. You will see an option called Show Tabs Vertically. Click on it. It will make the tabs vertical in web browser. You can also collapse or expand this tabs panel by clicking this icon. Other way to toggle vertical tabs is by going into Settings, by clicking three dots menu, and then More Tools. Hover over More Tools, and here you will see Show Tabs Vertically or horizontally. You can also toggle this feature from here. If you don't see this feature on Chrome, you may have to enable it from Chrome flags. To do that, type Chrome // flags/. You'll have to type that in the URL. Then from here, search vertical tabs. From the drop-down menu, select Enabled. After that, relaunch the browser. This will enable vertical tabs in Chrome web browser. It will also work in Brave browser. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.